Hi guys, today we've got an easy low bun hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear and then just tie this off with a clear elastic band. Next we're going to make a small hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass the ponytail through to your fingers and pull it through the hole so you're creating a small twist. Apply some texture spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then just loosen everything up by pinching and pulling. Now we're just going to clip that ponytail out of the way for now, and we're going to divide the remaining hair in half and just pop a clip on that right hand side just to keep it out of the way. Let down that ponytail. And all we're going to do is make a small hole in that right hand twist. So pop your fingers through the twist, take all the hair on the left hand side, pass it up to your fingers and pull it through the hole. Now we're going to combine that hair with the ponytail with a clear elastic band. And we're going to repeat on the opposite side. So make a hole in that left hand twist, move the ponytail out of your way, and grab all the hair on the right hand side, pass it up to your fingers and pull it through that little hole. Now we're just going to place a bobby pin or two just at the top there to keep it from slipping through. And we're going to bring that tail ends on the left hand side. We're going to pull this over to the right hand side and join it to the other tail ends with another clear elastic band. Now we're going to pop an elastic band on the end of that section, creating a small loop, and we're going to bring this over to the left hand side and just tuck it underneath that previous twist, and then just secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Then we're just going to pop a bobby pin on the right hand side of that to keep everything secure. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.